CYPEFIRE Pressure Systems is a program created for the design of pressure differential systems that retain smoke from fires in non-airtight spaces in accordance with the European standard EN 12101 Part 6. To get started, we can link the job to a project stored on the BIMserver.center platform, which provides us with a collaborative workflow via Open BIM technology. In the import process, we indicate the spaces to be included in the design, such as stairs, protected lobbies, and lifts, and define the types of walls, doors, and windows in accordance with the code, in order to specify the air leakage data via each element. Then, using the tools in the general interface, we can check and edit the type associated with each of the elements. We can assign the desired type by selecting the elements directly on the model. Once the review of all the elements imported from the BIM model has been completed, we can enter a pressurizing system. To do this, we define its data, such as the class of the system, the spaces that belong to the system, and the doors that are considered open for the design with different criteria. We should also arrange the grills that act as air supply points for the system's spaces. The program analyses all the air leaks that occur in the elements of a pressurizing system in each of the load cases. The sum of the leaks defines the flow rates needed to maintain the pressurization of the system's spaces with respect to the rest of the building. Also, the checks described in said standard, which establishes the characteristics that a pressurizing system must fulfill, are carried out. Additionally, after updating the results of the analysis, we can revise the pressurizing system generated in the model or create one from scratch by setting the leak estimation manually for all elements. The program generates a report for each of the systems entered, showing the types of systems, the estimate of the leaks via walls, doors, and windows, as well as the flow rate obtained for each designed criteria. The total leakage flow rates for each design criteria are shown at the end of the document. From these results, we can design the fan needed to complete the system. All authorized project participants can view the information generated with the program on the BIMserver.center platform and access all the information from any device at any time.